Hi guys, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical. Have you ever wondered why some flavours pair well together and others don't? For example, chicken and thyme, lemon and honey and ginger, etc, etc. The reason being is when you taste something like a lemon, your brain tells you you're tasting lemon, but what you're actually tasting is an amalgamation of over 1,000 different flavour compounds. Now these flavour compounds are in all different ingredients but in different ratios, just like every colour is made up of the three primary colours. Now, if we find an ingredient that pairs well together, it's because they have flavour compound commonalities and they fit together like a jigsaw. Now, you can find two ingredients that don't work well together, but you can find a third ingredient that has a commonality of both, creating a trio that makes them pair together, creating weird and wonderful pairings. Now guys, this is a little food for thought for you mixologists, chefs and distillers. Have a good day, y'all.